Hello, Stuart Richland here from 420 Law Office and here on the YouTube channel. And I've got some more good news, and I guess we'll do it in the form of a nursery rhyme type of a thing or something like that. You see, once upon a time, there were two very, very bad cases. One of the cases was the Long Beach case, known as PAC, and in that case, the court invalidated the Long Beach Ordinance because it was overreaching on the part of the city and therefore federally invalid due to the doctrine of partial federal preemption. And another nasty, nasty case, the Inland Empire holding, which says that cities may ban collectives completely, contrary to state law providing otherwise, including SB 420. So, the good news is that our California Supreme Court, in its wisdom, have taken both of these cases up now for hearing on certiorari, which means that they are no longer good holdings. And for that reason, medical marijuana patients all around the state are celebrating, and in San Francisco, for instance, the Department of Public Health is now back to going through their local licensing processes, because this recent Supreme Court decision that will re-examine these two terrible holdings means that the two holdings, at least for the moment, are on hold. They've become invalidated. So this is great news. And this also means that any city that's been using the PAC case as an excuse to not go ahead and regulate, the playing field has changed again, and that goes for LA too. That means that the city should be able to go ahead with this licensing scheme. Of course, the law is always changing, and that's why this is now my 7th or 8th edition of my medical marijuana paperback, which is a reprint of some of the very important government documents that you need to understand, as well as my own original material that helps you understand how medical marijuana law works. This diagram is the result of all kinds of study of the Attorney General's guidelines. Here's some information about the medical marijuana cards that are issued by your county board of health. And there's all kinds of information here about federal, state, and local law in a way that'll help you master the topic. And when I go through it with you, I use my colored pens and my markers and tabs and all kinds of things so that we really mark up the book for you and make it so that you can understand and recap the meeting at home, so that you can really understand and therefore make enlightened decisions about your activity as a patient. It'll be my honor to have you through here, so just give us a call anytime to book it. All right, take good care now.
Hey, what's going on? Have you heard about our radio show? That's right, there's a medical marijuana radio show, and I do it for you every Thursday night at 8:30. In fact, the podcast is available ahead of time every week. And you can get it at 420lawoffice.com. Just click 420 Radio Show, and you can download the podcast, and you can subscribe by clicking a button, and it's going to show up in your phone or in your iPod. So be sure to check out 420 Law Office Radio. I think you'll find it's rockin'. All right, take good care. Or in your iPod. So be sure to check out 420 Law Office Radio. I think you'll find it's rockin'. All right, take good care.